My name is Jim Gunner. I am the Senior FSQA Manager for Western Smokehouse Partners. Foreign material in mind, being in the meat industry, making meat sticks and jerkies, it's a very machine-intensive process. Lots of metal meeting metal, where we have to watch out. Plus, we also have numerous suppliers for our products because everything we bring in, we need to make our own product. And that just adds a level of complexity as well to our process. Foreign material is a big issue among our industry. You can have loss of confidence in your customers. Recalls are definitely a problem as well. As they mentioned, the fact of having a recall is pretty great. It's one of the top items for having a voluntary recall, especially in the meat industry. So we're trying to be very hyper-focused on it as much as we can. I'm looking to them more, honestly, at this point, it's more of a reactive type of thing, but I'm hoping to utilize FlexXray more as a proactive measure to help us out with reducing those events as well. Coming to a seminar like this with new technologies at our possible disposal, I think we'll go a long way towards that. Well, I've always felt like that the customer service has been great. Always very responsive. I've been very happy with getting that and working with them more as a partnership with everything else that we do, and helps us enhance our own food safety program.